red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperature. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Carson County Emergency Management. An ongoing grass fire continues to threaten the city Skellytown this evening. The Carson County Emergency Manager and the city of Skellytown advise residents that the evacuation order for Skellytown remains in place. Residents should evacuate to the Baptist Church in White Deer and stay away from the area. Please continue to take heed of this order and follow instructions from local officials. Red flag warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening for strong winds and low relative humidity for the southern and eastern Texas